Tennessee Volunteers dressing that nigga. It's the itchy scratches. Hey, dog. Want some of this shit? I know Dolph out here and enjoying himself. Look at the drawers, y'all. I know Dolph out here and enjoying himself. Look at the drawers, y'all. This nigga burger, man. Small burger ass nigga. For my son burger ass nigga. The perfect burger for this ass.
So the dream is expressed in these profound words. We hold these truths to be self-evident.
Hey, how much these John's is, bro? How much these John's is right here?
Right here? 200.
Yeah. 200?
Yeah.
Damn, 200.
Yeah, it's like a Walking Dead special edition. It come with a special box and
Man, I don't give a damn how much that shit costs. Ugly head ass nigga. What's up with you, the nigga that own everything in our community looking at nigga? Excuse me. Excuse me. How you doing? You know what the hoes is? Thank you so much. Snub my gruff head ass nigga. Sunroof. Sunroof bad ass nigga. Man, look at this my motherfucking car, man. Look at this motherfucker. That boy got some grapes in that motherfucker. Look at that. Got some grapes in that motherfucker. Damn. My motorcycle car head. Love mo car head. Make sure you look me up. I told my name is Deez. So, yeah, look me up. My name is Deez. Just look me up. I'm the next up-and-coming comedian. My name is Deez. D-E-E-S? Nah, T-H-E-S-E. It's T-H-E-S-E space N-U-T-S. I'm just like, don't give up because shit hard right now. Don't give up because you ain't got no money right now. Don't give up because shit bad right now. Because just in the blink of an eye, your life can change. And take care of your kids, man. If you following me, take care of your motherfucking kids, man. Because that's what's gangster, man. Take care of your kids. Don't be going to jail and doing dumb shit and being out your kids like that's dumb shit. And stop getting over on folks, man. Stop doing all this scamming on folks because that shit come back, man. You think that shit don't come back, that shit come back, man. Real shit, man. So look, moral of the story is, man, be a good person. Don't give up because you ain't got no money or you broke. And continue to, man, just do good, man. And that's the story of GroveHero today.